So today I'm going to be talking about hydrocarbons from photosynthesis. So as you see in the top right corner, I have put in a picture of photosynthesis inside of a plant. And you can see the light energy, the H2O, and the oxygen, which go to make carbon and glucose, which in this scenario, glucose would be the hydrocarbon from photosynthesis. I've also put in a picture of glucose, and you can see its empirical formula and how it's formed. You see the water, carbon, water, and O2, CHO2, and OH, which is how glucose is formed and what it is. So, in this model, you see the chlorophyll right here, and these are the molecules that are needed for photosynthesis: oxygen, glucose, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay? So when you start photosynthesis and in the form of trying to produce hydrocarbons and how it's needed for photosynthesis, you start with water and carbon dioxide. Those are your two inputs that go to form your hydrocarbon. In this model, you can see the balanced equation at the bottom. You can see how we added light to the equation, and you can see how the water and the carbon, which were the inputs, go together to form our outputs, which are oxygen and glucose, which is our hydrocarbon, which is C6H12O6. So back to the model that we first saw. The difference between the models is we had to add light, which works together with water and carbon dioxide to make our outputs, which are oxygen and glucose, which is our hydrocarbon. Here is just a model of a balanced equation of glucose, which is the hydrocarbon in this situation in photosynthesis. Here you have your inputs, which was water and the molecules. You have 6 carbon dioxides, and then that gives you C6H12 and O6, and here's the molecules at the bottom, and oxygen. Thank you so much for watching. That is how a hydrocarbon works together in photosynthesis.